Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use requirejs. We'll start by understanding its core purpose, enabling modularity. This function is essential for bringing external code into your current project, making your applications more organized and efficient. Think of it as a way to build complex systems from smaller, manageable pieces, improving maintainability and collaboration across your development team. Now, let's dive into the basic syntax. To use require, you simply call the function with a string argument. This string can be the name of a built-in module, such as path or HTTP, or a path to a local file. When referencing local files, remember to include the relative path like /mymodule. JS, ensuring the system knows exactly where to find your code. This simple structure is the foundation for all modular imports. To truly leverage require, you need to understand how to export your own modules. This is done using the module, exports object. Whatever you assign to module, exports becomes the value returned when another script requires your file. You can export a single function, an object containing several utilities, or even a primitive value. This mechanism allows you to encapsulate functionality and share it across your application with ease. Finally, let's cover some best practices for using require effectively. It's generally recommended to place all your require statements at the very top of your script. This provides a clear overview of your dependencies. Also, remember that require caches modules after their first load, so subsequent calls won't re-execute the module code, which is a performance benefit. Adhering to these tips will make your modular code robust and easy to maintain.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.